Good morning, you guys. Welcome to day 2023. Welcome to day 23 of this 5K to Fund It challenge. Let's see what we can do today. I want to make a trade today. I think that's the goal. We're going to look at our daily buys here now anyway, but I'm thinking that, today could be good. Price has been choppy. Maybe we can get a break of structure somewhere on whatever side, and we can just go with it. Let's just try to make a trade today. Actually, it's not the best mentality, but let's just see what comes about. There's no rush really for this. We're still going hard. Day 23. That's crazy, but I'm thinking this is gonna go all summer. Once we pass this, then I'll do its own challenge. But anyways, let's just keep going, keep playing around, and we'll see what happens. But day 23, I know I said that 3 times, but fuck it. So with that being said, let's get this up and let's get this going. Command Shift 5. Let's find our daily buys for today, and we're going now. So what do we see? We're on the daily. To be honest, you can see we're so choppy. Like, I don't even know where price wants to go. See this? We're completely within this candle here, this bullish candle. We're just chopping it up here. I'm thinking because of that, maybe we'll, keep going up, take out some highs up here. But when will that happen, you might ask? Good question. I don't have a clue. Great question. But that's not a good way to look at daily buys. So obviously we're bearish. Looks like price, it's just, there's no way to tell where it is. Our order block is down here anyway. I guess we're kind of in an order block again, but that is the order block there. Let's go from the top to the bottom. Yeah, like, no, that's not a good way to look at it. Okay, no. Daily, we're bearish. 4 hour, we're bullish. 1 hour, I assume we're bullish. And I assume the rest is bullish. Bearish on the 15. But 30, bull. So it seems like as we get closer in, sorry, that's 15. 5 minute, we're bull, or bear. So we're bearish on everything except for the 4 hour and the 1 hour. So today we can look for shorts. Shit, what's going on here? Today we can look for some type of short. There's not really many building blocks for us to work with here. As we can see, that looks like a liquidity sweep right here. I don't know what, I think that was news or something. That's crazy. We got a sweep liquidity here. People definitely wanted to buy after seeing that candle closure, maybe even this one. So a lot of people got stopped out. Maybe price going to come back to these pending orders today. Can find its way here. We can get another sweep, and then for sure we're going to keep going. That's possibly my idea. But then again, who knows? Sorry, I got distracted a little bit. I need to see if this is still going. Yeah, but then again, we don't 100% know. So we can just play off of what we think, because this is just a game of probability. But don't quote me on this. We're daily bias is bearish. We have our 4 hour bull, 1 hour bull, and the rest is bear. So we don't really know what's going to go on. Looks like we're going to be bearish. I'd say that once this closes, which is in a couple hours, we'll leave this nice fair value gap maybe. Then price can trickle on up in here if possible. If it pushes through, we know we're going to take our order block. Then from here, we can maybe execute probably here and then go short. You know what I'm saying? So it really depends what today unfolds, because I don't want to trade right away in New York session. I remember I did that and it just completely hurt me. But it seems like price just doesn't want to push above these highs anyway. So we're obviously on a downtrend in the 4 hour. Maybe we can pull back down here. If we look at the DXY, we're on an uptrend. So, and it looks like they're retracing back to that high, and we're going back to our low. So, to be honest with you, we'll just see what happens. Oh, excuse me. We'll just see what happens. But what we're going to do now is we're going to mark out our areas of liquidity, our key levels. So, we have, let's just mark the days. What's today? Thursday. So Wednesday, 6 p.m. right here. New York, Asian session open. Right away, that's our high. That is our high. Asian session close. Where is that to? 4 a.m. That's our low. So it seems like right away, it's just bear. You know, we get our up, push down, push up, push down, push up. Most likely now we're going to close below this low whenever New York opens, which is here, which is in 30 minutes, 37 minutes. What else do we got? But that's crazy because those are our key highs and lows right now. That's it. Hold on, let me go to yesterday's New York session because that'll help out too. Tuesday, no, I need Wednesday, 8 a.m. right here. So here's also our high. I don't know if I would consider this our high. I guess you could, but no, I think we'd take that out. So there's our high, there's our low. New York. So we can see price obviously is going to want to push through these and send down lower. New York is probably going to open and fill, hold on, where is 3 a.m.'s high? This is London session. London's high is right here. So New York is going to open, take out London, and possibly go down. Maybe might sweep Asian low too and go back up. Then retrace again down. That's possibly what's going to happen for today because we're bearish, it seems like. And right now we're leading towards bull. So that could be our first step for today. But then again, we're just going to wait for building blocks. So enough of this key level stuff here. We don't have any. So there's no, everything is just pure. I mean, there's a tiny fair value gap right here, which price might come back up to. But then again, this could be an order block. So let's just wait for this today. Let's mark these out. I'm going to keep this up for all day. And 1 hour fair value gap. I think it's in white. Why is that? I think you just can't see it. Anyway, this is fine. We got an order block. And we got a fair value gap here. So maybe, with that being said, we could pump up into here. If we break that, we'll get rid of it. Order block, you know, maybe we'll look for our high to low. You know, we completely take the middle, and then we can do it. And then we can go for our trade today and take a short. I think we're going to be good today. I got to stop complicating it, so. But yeah, I'm going to leave this here like this. And next time I open the screen, either I'm going to have a trade done, or we're going to go do a trade together, or vice versa, or a trade recap. But anyways, today is going to be something. Maybe I trade, maybe I don't. But I'll catch you guys later on the charts because I have to get going and list some land today. So that's pretty cool. We're going at it. So take care, and I'll see you on the charts later. All right, here we are. We're back. We're at the charts. Let's have a chat. So I'm going to get this up right away so we can have a look. Hold on. I'm not going to say anything yet. So we're going to be recording now. So price didn't go where we wanted to go. Oh, go ad free. Nope. Later. Remember this 1 hour fair value gap? Price didn't go there. It is going back up though. 2 retrace to go back down. That's what I'm thinking. So we opened here. We got that drop. Well, I'm pretty sure that's 8 a.m. Yeah, we opened here. We took that drop. Now we're retracing back. We're going to probably get back into here tomorrow. Tomorrow we hit here. We're going to go for... Jeez, I'm always drawing shit like that. We're going to go for it. We're going to go for boom, take out all these pieces of liquidity. Try and take that out there. So that would be we'll probably enter around here. My stop loss, I'm going to put it here. It's going to be tight because we know it's going to happen. Yeah, we're going to go for it tomorrow. That's going to be the plan tomorrow. I'm actually going to take that trade tomorrow because I've been waiting too long. Obviously, you can see there was no trade today. But price is doing what I thought was going to happen. We swept Asian low. We swept yesterday's New York session low. Now we're retracing up. Now we're going to hit some type of retracement and sweep all the lows again. We're going to take out Asian low, London low, and New York low. And we're actually going to take out today's New York low tomorrow. So all these are going to be taken out tomorrow. That's my thoughts. Because news, no news. Actually, we probably should have to. We're going to do it like this. So that's the plan for tomorrow. But for today, it was great. I was watching the charts. I was looking at it, seeing where price is going. It's doing exactly what I wanted to. But within this whole imbalance here, there was no building blocks within this area for us to try and execute on. That's why nothing happened. If this price doesn't respect this one, then we can try to go for that order block and maybe get a better one. But if it doesn't respect it, then the price is just going to keep going up. And then maybe we're actually going to, because we have a break of structure right here. We close up here above, we close big time. So now really it looks like price, I don't know, this could be a big, if there's nothing, if it doesn't retrace back down here, could take a big drop and push through all these. Then again, we don't 100% know. But that's for tomorrow. Bit of technical analysis right now. But yeah, it's a good day. Didn't take a trade. It was a good learning curve today. Now I know this is probably getting very boring, but this is just practice. This is just, warm up for when we actually get into real trading, and I'll do live trades. Maybe eventually I'll have a Discord and we can do stuff like that and whatever. But that's what I thought for price today, and I'm pretty happy with what I did today. I waited. I knew we were gonna go. I knew it was gonna be a short day, which maybe I could have got in around here. But what's this? No. When was I? No, absolutely not. This is a perfect time. Swept up, sweep, go. Maybe we can dip into here. It'd be nice if we could, because then I'll know for sure. But if not, I'm not 100% sure, because there's nothing here. There's nothing at all. You know what I'm saying? So now we wait. We wait for tomorrow and we see what can happen. So that's day 23. I'm pretty sure today's day 23. Yeah. We're on day 23 today. Today was actually busy. I just listed some land today. Did all that. That's not a big deal. We're not gonna talk about that. I don't want to get involved with that here. But let's keep going. Let's hopefully we can respect that fair value gap. Price looks like it's drawing towards it. So from there, let's just play it and we'll see. So yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow for day 23. Subscribe. Make sure you follow me in this, because we're going to make it pretty soon. I feel it. And I'll just keep posting all the time. All the time. I'm going to make a new series soon. I think I said that yesterday. So we're going to do that. Something diverse, a little different. So yeah, that's about it. So I'll see you tomorrow, day 23. And let's keep going. That's all I got to say, really. So, yep. See you tomorrow.